Hi, my name is Mariah. This is Mariah M Design, and today I'm going to be talking about why I quit selling copyrighted designs on my Redbubble account. I had a second account that was dedicated solely to merch and fan art. I'll put some images here so you can see what I was talking about. But I made a lot of designs based on TV shows and movies, pop culture things. And it was actually doing fairly well. I had a few designs pick up. Either Redbubble liked them and started promoting them, or something happened because I had one design that just really blew up. And I made I had 1 month where I made about $500. I was during the holiday season as well, so that was a huge advantage. Towards the end of last year, I decided that I didn't want to sell those designs anymore, and I wanted to start focusing on building my own products and my own brand under the name Mariah M Design. So I started a second shop for that reason and slowly started phasing out products on my initial Redbubble shop. I started doing this because this was around the time Redbubble was cracking down on shops for who were violating copyright, and I did not want to get in trouble with the law for violating trademark or copyright infringements. I know that can be a serious thing, and I also am undergoing the process of making my business more legitimate. So I filed as a LLC, so now I have a legal business entity. Before I was a sole proprietor, which is still okay. And I'm also starting the process of doing things like getting my own business bank account, maybe getting a website. I want it to be recognized as an actual business, not just treated as a hobby. And selling things, copyrighted designs, even if it's fan art and it's doing really well, I didn't want to risk it. I didn't want to risk losing my future money, losing profits because my Redbubble account just gets randomly shut down. I got scared once when I was uploading a design and Redbubble flagged it, and then they took it down on their own. But there was a point there where I thought my entire account was going to be deleted. I just realized it wasn't worth it. You're just kind of playing with fire, making those type of designs. And I know that there's a lot of accounts that still have things up and they're still able to sell them. And I know there's a partner program, so certain shows, certain movies, certain musicians, you can make things based off of them. But I personally don't like a lot of those, and the ones that I did aren't taking new submissions, so I just decided to drop that shop and focus on my new one, which will be the basis of this channel going forward. I plan on sharing my growth and journey of building a shop from scratch, my own designs and my own artwork, and just seeing how far I can take that instead of relying on other people's artwork and other people's intellectual property, which is what I was doing before. Even if I was making my own art based off of it, I was still taking advantage of that, and I don't want to do that anymore. So this is a short video, but just if you're selling fan art and it's not through the Redbubble program, I would say just be careful if you're going to do that. It's always better to make your own designs, even if they don't automatically show up in the search engine and you have to do more work. It'll be better in the long run. At least that's what I'm telling myself now. I'll see you in my next video. Just wanted to give you this update. It's also why I've been gone. I've been figuring things out business-wise, but I'm back now. And I'll see you in the next one.